Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, we're going to do baby boy cupcake toppers. And this is how they look. For this video, I'm going to be using my Cricut, and the items that you're going to be needing is some vinyl for boy. We're doing baby boy. And then we're going to be using sticker paper, white. And then I decided for the backing, I'm going to be using this blue. Okay, plus you're going to be needing double-sided tape, some scissors, and some toothpicks. You're also going to need a piece of transfer tape, and I'm going to put all the items that I use with links in the description box for you. This is my Cricut. We are going to be doing this one here, but just so you know, I found these and these in the system of the images. So I just put baby boy, and that's where so this is the one we're going to be doing. Let me go ahead and hide this one. So what you're going to be doing is very simple. Here's your image, and we want it, we're going to go ahead and make it a little. So you're going to go here to the image, and you're going to go right here where it says offset. You're going to click on that, and you're going to change that to, I do it to 0.10, and then you apply, and that is what you get. And then you separate this one from that one. I'm going to change this to white, and I'm going to keep clicking on that one, and I'm going to go to offset again. I'm going to go ahead and do again 0.10, apply it, separate it, and this I'm going to make it blue. Okay, and this I'm going to make it a different kind of blue. Let's try this one. Okay, so there we go. We're going to print as many as we need of each, but this one right here, I'm going to click it, and I'm going to make it a different blue. I'm going to try that one right there. Okay, so this is going to be the blue with the design. This is going to be the sticker paper, and this is going to be vinyl. Now what you're going to need to do, you need to grab that one, and you need to right click, duplicate it, and you're going to make it a different color. Let's make it a color that we don't have, that one right there. So you're gonna print one regularly, and you're gonna print the other. You're gonna mirror this one right here. So let's say we're doing 30 of these party. Let's say we're doing 30 cupcake toppers. So you're gonna go to make it. There you have all of them. When you get here, on this one, you're going to go apply right here, and you're going to go here, you're going to go 30, and you're going to go apply, and here's your 30, and then you can go ahead and print them. Then you're going to go here. You already have your 30 right there, and you have your 30 of those right there. And this one right here, specifically this one, whichever one, either number 4 or number 2, which are the same, you're going to go mirror. Just that one is going to go mirror. Okay, so now you can print in the colors that you want. I already showed you at the beginning of the video which colors I'm using. So I'm going to do the pattern twice, this one and this one, the pattern. This one is the vinyl, and this one is the sticker paper. Okay, so you go ahead and go through the process of printing them, and then read them out, and then I'll see you back on the table. Okay, so here's all my stuff has been printed and weeded right here. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get some double-sided tape, and we're gonna put these two together. Toothpick is gonna go. And so then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the middle. So I'm gonna put this in the middle right there, so it'll hold the toothpick, and then I'm going to put a little piece also on top of the toothpick so that we can put the other piece on top of it. Okay. There you go. And then we're going to put the other piece on top. Here we go. So that first part is done. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the little residue of the tape. Okay. So that both sides it has the little design. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the white sticker paper, and this you can just peel it off. Here we go. So we're going to go ahead and like put it like leaving it a little frame. Okay, so that's your second part right there. And now we're going to use the transfer tape to transfer this over to it, so we can put it in on. That's the last. This is the last part. Okay, you can see better. We're going to go ahead and pretty much put it right in the middle, right there. Put it down. Press on it, peel it off. Okay, so now here's the breakdown price so that you know how much you're going to invest, how much you can sell them for. That, guys, for me is all. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.